Start by opening a small gap near the right speaker where the plastic clips are less tight. Using a small pry tool, pry open the cover. Turn the LCD module 135 degrees and disconnect the EDP cables. Remove the LCD module. Connect the EDP cables to the LCD module. Turn the LCD module 180 degrees and insert the bottom edge of the LCD module into position. Press to snap it into place. Remove 2 screws and remove the bracket. Disconnect the battery cable. Disconnect the EDP cable from the main board and remove it. Remove 2 pieces of adhesive tapes. Remove the battery. Install 2 pieces of removable tape on the LCD cover. Check that the tape is aligned with the guides. Peel off the protective layer. Install the battery and connect the battery cable. Install the bracket and 2 screws. Disconnect the white antenna lead from the main board. Release the cable from the guides and disconnect the front camera cable. Remove 3 screws and remove the white antenna bracket. Disconnect the gray antenna lead from the main board. Remove 4 screws and remove the gray antenna bracket. Disconnect the left speaker cable from the main board. Remove 7 screws. Peel off the tape. Remove the speaker cable from the guides and remove the left speakers. Disconnect the right speaker cable from the main board. Remove 7 screws. Peel off the tape. Remove the speaker cable from the guides and remove the right speakers. Remove 2 screws in the bracket. Disconnect the left USB board cable and peel off the cable. Remove 3 screws. Remove the bracket and the left USB board. Remove 2 screws and the bracket. Disconnect the right USB board cable and peel off the cable. Remove 3 screws. Remove the bracket and the right USB board. Disconnect the Pogo Pin cable from the main board. Remove 4 screws and remove the bracket. Remove the Pogo Pin cable. Disconnect the right mic cable, camera LED cable, left mic cable, volume board cable, and SD card cable from the main board. Remove 6 screws. Carefully lift up the main board and the heatsink and remove them. Separate the heatsink from the main board. Disconnect the rear camera cable from the main board. Disconnect 2 screws. Peel off the tape and remove the rear camera. Peel off the tape and remove the camera. Disconnect the volume board cable. Peel off the tape and remove the volume board.